G'day guys, welcome back to MG Rebuild. Today's episode is a little bit different to most. As you most likely would know, I've been wanting an MGTD for about 30 years. And it's really only just occurred to me the last few days that I've never actually been in a car, in one of the 2 Series cars. So I had a bit of a chat to a friend of mine, Scotty, and he took me for a ride in his TC. So this is the actual footage from inside the car. Hope you enjoy it.
Ratios in it?
No, this will be a standard 5125.
Oh, okay.
No, sorry, 4875.
4875, yeah.
The car is 5125.
What, the A?
Yeah. They preferred the diff out of those in early times. They're probably the only 2 ratios available in old days. I mean, as you know, Peter Richards has got a very low ratio in his.
Is that so? stick to the 455.
We're actually heading into the rain, but we'll turn out of it in a second. Trials work.
Oh, yes.
You know, for hill climbing and mud hills and all those things that they used to get up to this time.
I work every weekend on mine and try and work 2 or 3 nights a week as well on it. I've actually got a motor meter for it.
You're just going to beat that rain?
Oh, I hope so. Sliding a bit around there. It'll be greasy road.
That's perfect timing, eh?
Yeah.
Well, that was certainly good fun having a ride in Scotty's TC. Just as we got back into his garage, it absolutely bucketed down with rain, and very, very heavy rain at that. It was very good timing that we actually got back under cover just in time Otherwise, we would have got absolutely saturated. Anyway, the competition to win one of the magazines my car is featured in is still running. It runs for another 4 days, I think it is. So make sure that you do enter. I'll put the link in the description once again. So anyway, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on post notifications, like it, make a comment if you feel like you need to or want to. I'll try and reply to all comments if I can, and go from there. Anyway, the next video will be a normal one once again, back to, I'm not sure exactly what I'll be doing yet. Depends on if I get a part that arrives. Anyway, we'll see you the next few days. Catch you later.